Just a very quick video, guys. A couple of you have private messaged me and asked about chicken thighs. So on my chicken tikka recipe, I did chicken breast pieces, but here are chicken thighs. So exactly the same recipe, marinated for about 24-25 hours ish, and the tandoor has just been turned on. So the only trick with the thigh meat is cut off any excess fat, make sure there's no bone or cartilage in the middle of the meat, and then the way in which you put the meat on the skewers is with a cube of meat is really easy, you just plump it on. Whereas with thigh meat, it's normally a longer piece. I start off at the far end, put that over, then I twist the meat and then put it on again and then slide it down. I did show you how to do that in the Tikka video, which was the chicken pieces of the breast meat, so you can have a look at how I did that. But yeah, so you can do the same thing as well on this, guys. I'm also going to do another recipe or two of different kinds of meats because other people have been asking, but this is pretty straightforward. I'm going to probably take this meat and make another barbecue chicken tikka pizza, which you might have seen in my other video. If not, have a look at the other video on my channel. So this is going to go in the tandoor shortly, and we'll see how it turns out. One already in there, put another one in there. And we'll see how she cooks in the next 10-15 minutes. Look how she's getting on. There you go, nicely getting cooked there. Just, oh, that's very hot. Turn that around. Yeah, nice little char on there already. Oh, there we go, cooking very nicely. This is the chicken thighs taken out. They have got a very different texture to the other ones, the chicken tikka off the breast. These ones are a lot more moist, juicier, probably because of the fat content. So I'm, yeah, nicely cooked. It took a little bit longer than the normal chicken breast, but overall really good result. Very happy with it.